Hey folks, Joshua Bardwell here. You are receiving a set of standoffs because we accidentally shipped you your electronics stack without the standoffs that are supposed to come with it. And you're going to be receiving these standoffs. These are 5mm M3 male to female male, female. You figure out why that's named that way. We didn't make up the nomenclature. That's just how it's called. So you're going to be receiving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, hang on. But in order to keep the parts simple, we're shipping you 12 of these male to females and 4 nuts. And I want to show you that the stack that comes from Holybro has a slightly different layout. It's got female to female standoffs, and there are screws going down into the top. And so I don't want you to get confused if you see the video and the parts that you have are not exactly like what's in the video. That's why I'm making this video. So let me just take this apart and just make sure you know how to assemble this. Okay, so most of your build is going to be exactly the same as is shown in the video. You get the 6mm screw. Mine are button head screws. It's possible you got cap head screws. But they're 6mm screws, 6mm M3 screws. They're going to go down into there. Yep, just as shown in the video. Then I'll take the 5mm standoff. Okay, so that's how those are going to go on, just as shown in the video. Obviously my quad is all put together, so yours will be going together bit by bit as you assemble it. Then 5mm. Oh, I gotta put the spacer on. My mistake. Then these little spacers go on that come with the ESC, and the standoff goes on top there. Flight controller goes on top. And now here's the part that's different. The factory kit that you see in the video comes with a female to female standoff here and a screw that goes down in through the top. But what we've supplied you with is a male to female standoff, and those are going to install on top of the flight controller. And then the video transmitter is going to go on top of there. Sorry for the bonging in the background. I forgot to turn that volume down on my laptop, or my computer. That's going to go on there. And then these M3 screws or nuts are going to go on the top. And just snug those down. Okay, and that's how that will go together. Not that different, but I just wanted to make sure that nobody was the least bit confused about why what you were getting was not exactly the same as what was in the video.